Metaverse English Learning World Artificial Intelligence Speaking Engine. To support diverse learners, we need smart tools, rich content, and data-driven insights. AI simulates real-life chats to boost fluency, confidence, and practical use. Smart AI English system is much more than just generative AI. Adaptive learning is also implemented on the platform based on student performance. Teachers can also modify course contents to meet individual or class needs. Various speaking tasks are provided to spark students' interest. Many students find these tasks engaging and feel more confident speaking English. Instant feedback is provided, along with detailed scores on pronunciation and learning objectives. Detailed comments and recommendations are provided by ChatGPT, as well as CEFR and TOEFL scale. These are our sample modules, designed to be fun and related to everyday life. The Metaverse app is a virtual environment that students can play innovative speaking games together. Avatars, shops, game rooms and AI chat rooms are available. All questions in these speaking games are generated by AI and are different each time.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? Please read the vocab. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Well done saying restaurant clearly. You are doing great. Please read the vocab. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Great job pronouncing breakfast clearly. You're doing fantastic. Please read the phrase. This restaurant is always open and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
This restaurant is always open and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Great job with your pronunciation. Keep up the good work.
Hello.
Hi.
Let's play together.
Hello. What's your favorite animal?
I like cats.
I like cats.
Cats are wonderful. What do you like most about them?
I just like them.
That's fair. Do you have a pet cat?
I'm excited. Sings. The bird sings in the tree.
The bird sings in the tree.
Cat.